Hey Techno Studs, now we've set up a static route so router 1 knows how to get to the demo laptop. But let's set up a default route and see what a default route looks like. Similar to last time, I'm already pinging a couple IP addresses. I'm pinging 10.240.2.2 and the IP version 6 address for that same interface. So you can see that it's coming back where it's not reaching that. What interface is that? That interface is this router 1 right here on the other side of this router. And so what's happening is this demo laptop is not able to reach that. This router 1 is able to reach back. I left the static routes on from our last video. So this router is able to come back to the demo laptop. We know that it knows how to get back to the demo laptop. And the demo laptop knows of its default gateway. So what is happening is it's sending this ICMP packet to this layer 3 switch, since that's the default gateway. The layer 3 switch then doesn't know what to do with it. It's not aware of this 10.240.2 network. It can't see any of these other networks. So what we can do for this layer 3 switch is we can set up a default gateway or default route. We're gonna set up a default route that says, if you don't know what to do with it, go ahead and send it to router 1 and router 1 will know what to do with it. So that's what we're gonna do is we're gonna send up a default route that points to router 1 because let's face it, almost all the traffic that goes through here, with the exception of the VLANs that's set up on this layer 3 switch, is gonna go through router 1. So let's go ahead and set that up on the switch. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to get into the global configuration mode and I'm gonna type in IP route. And what we do for this one is it's called quad 0. This is the summary of the internet of internet. You know, it's everything. It's the catch-all. And so we do 0.0.0.0 for the address, the IP address. We also do it for the subnet mask, and that matches everything. And then we're going to specify the next hop that it's going to go to. So we're going to specify 10.240.0.2. So that is the router 1 interface. So I'm going to hit enter on here and give it a second, and we are now communicating to that interface. It knows how to, or it really doesn't know how to get to that specific network, but it's just sending it to the next hop of router 1. All right, so next I'm going to do the same thing for IP version 6. So I got to type in IP version 6 route, and then we're going to do ::/0. So that's the catch-all for IP version 6. And the address we want to go to is FC00:A:1:2. And we'll hit that in there. And now we're communicating. So now that is a default route. It's sending it out to our router 1 here. Any traffic that comes by it and it doesn't know what to do with it. And in fact, actually, one last thing what we can do is just do a show IP route just to see what it looks like. And it's got S with a star on it. So the star is the default route there. And so that's what it looks like in the routing table. Let's go ahead and do an IP version 6 route so we can see what that looks like. How about a show IP version 6? And there's the static route for that one right there. All right, so there you have it. That's a static route, how to set up a static default route on your devices.